is Jordan Morris.
How are you feeling?
Hiccups? I've got the hiccups.
Thank you. So won't you please be my little baby? Be my
Hiccups.
I think we've seen a fraction of your talent so far.
It was a little bit all over the place for me, and I think you're better than that.
Oh dear.
Like Simon said, if he sees a fraction of what I've got to give,
Yeah, but Simon's not going to have to mentor you, I am.
Oh no.
I hear that.
Oh baby. Want some juice?
Jordan, you've got my second seat.